If you're into 3D modeling, animation, or visual effects, you've probably heard of both Blender and Cinema 4D. But today we're going to dive into why Blender could be the better option for your next 3D project. First, let's talk cost. Blender is completely free and open source. That's right, Blender offers all of its features without any price tag, making it accessible for hobbyists, students, and professionals alike. Cinema 4D, however, operates on a subscription-based model, costing anywhere from $60 to $95 per month, or over $700 per year. For many creators, Blender's free access is a major plus. Blender is a Swiss Army knife of 3D software. It comes loaded with tools for modeling, sculpting, animation, rigging, compositing, motion tracking, and even a full-featured video editor. While Cinema 4D is fantastic for motion graphics and has a user-friendly interface, Blender's vast array of built-in tools allows you to do almost anything within one software, whether you're working on a game, film, or just experimenting with VFX. Another advantage of Blender is its open-source nature. That means anyone can contribute to its development, and the software is constantly evolving with input from users around the world. This also means there's a massive, passionate community creating plugins, add-ons, and offering support. Cinema 4D, while backed by a great team, is a closed ecosystem, meaning updates and new features are limited to what the developers at max and release. Blender's customization options are another big advantage. With its extensive add-on system, you can tailor Blender to your exact needs. Whether it's hard ops for complex hard surface modeling or box cutter for precision cuts, Blender has an ecosystem that's constantly expanding and improving. And let's not forget about Cycles Blender's powerful and highly realistic render engine, which rivals the renderers you'll find in Cinema 4D. When it comes to performance, Blender is highly optimized to handle high poly scenes and large-scale animations without crashing. Plus, it's compatible with all major operating systems, Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, making it incredibly versatile. Cinema 4D, while stable, is known to struggle with some heavier scenes without additional third-party tools. Blender has seen a massive surge in popularity over the past few years. It's been used in everything from indie game development to Hollywood VFX projects like Next Gen and Spider-Man Into the Spider-Verse. Its presence in the industry continues to grow, proving it's more than capable of competing with commercial software like Cinema 4D. So whether you're a beginner, looking for an affordable way to get into 3D, or a professional, wanting a robust all-in-one solution, Blender offers an unbeatable combination of power customization and community support, all without breaking the bank. Cinema 4D is great, but if you're on a budget or looking for complete freedom in your work, Blender is a top choice. Which software do you use for your 3D projects? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more 3D tips and tricks.